Okay, welcome back with another video. Today, here I am going to show how you can install all mobile USB drivers on Windows 10. In our previous topic, that was on the Windows 11, and now here I will guide you Windows 10 totally. In this here, I will show you how you can install all mobile USB drivers on your Windows 11. Or I think I'm sorry that Windows 10 easily. So first of all, download USB driver for your device. You can search any of them, but to be sure that each device has their own specifications and manufacturer. So you cannot suppose just only one USB driver can work on your all devices. To be honest, so Samsung USB driver, Xiaomi, Redmi both support. Vivo and Oppo both are supports, but or install ADB and fast boot driver that called Universal. So we will go one by one or relative easily how you can do yourself on your device. First we read the guide or right click the driver file and click run as administrator then install it normally. Okay, go to your phone settings and enable driver developer options. Turn on USB debugging. Okay, open device manager on your PC. Device manager. Let's see, we already have it opened here. Let's open it again. Okay, device manager. Okay, here you can see. Okay, universal serial bus controller. Okay, here the currently installed and working. Just the C type of policy controller and host controller each. Okay, then if you see an unknown device, I am not seeing at all any unknown device. No, 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 no. Okay, select browse my computer. Select browse my computer. Scan for hardware. Add your driver. Browse for drivers on your computer. Okay, then choose install driver folder. Where you install the drivers, you can choose here, like clicking on this button. Here you can see. Okay, after that, done. Your mobile user driver is now successful installed. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. So first, I would like to. Okay, I think you can do if you know any programming language, you can move on that as well. Let's discuss. Okay, let's discuss here. Okay, let's ask specifically, can you guide how can I install all USB drivers on my Windows 10? Make sure the guide should be sure to save my time as well. Okay, install Universal ADB Driver recommended. You can see Universal ADB Driver. One size fits all Windows driver for Android debug bridge. You can see the source code on the GitHub as well. That's this. Or you can download from here. I'm not gonna download it anywhere. Then download 15 seconds installer. Run the ex. After downloading this file, you will click on here and install. Press Y, enter all steps, restore your PC. This install most Android user automatically. So if you are planning to do, this is the best way I recommend. Okay, method two is install brand specific driver based compatibility like Samsung have on its Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco, MI user driver, MI flash tool, Infinix Tecno. Vicom and MTK driver. Realme supposed to call him USB driver. Depend on your device, what you are using currently. So third method is to manual install. If device not detect, you can connect your USB. Open device manager, find unknown device, right click update driver, like this device manager here. Okay, like I'm supposing this is an unknown device and click here and update driver. You can do whatever you need at the time. Browse my computer, choose driver folder. Okay, first important tips: enable USB debugging in one developer option. Use original USB cable first and disable driver signature enforcement for only Infinix and Tecno, suppose. So how you can do USB debugging? How can I? Okay, open settings. Open the setting. Go to about phone. Find build number. Tap it 7 times. You will see you are a now developer. Enable USB debugging. Go back to setting. Open developer option. Turn it on. Find USB debugging. You will find only USB debugging option when you turn on developer option. Okay, enable it, tap it. When you connect to PC, a pop-up will appear. Allow USB debugging. It will ask you. Top allow. Tick always allow if needed. Note path may vary. Xiaomi setting, additional setting, developer option. Samsung setting, developer option. Realme and Oppo setting, system and developer. And then that's all for now. I hope you understand uh, all the tricks and tips. That's all for now.